Okay, this afternoon we've got a customer that just called a few minutes ago for our tire change service here in West McKinney, here in less than 10 minutes, and ready to get this tire change complete. There's the spare and there's the flat. We'll have them back on the road here in about 10 minutes. Okay, this Kia Forte is now done. There's the bad tire that came off. As you can see, the tread is completely worn off. He definitely needs new tires. Looks like had to air up the spare with our equipment here, and then he's ready to go. Thank you for calling Road Angel here in McKinney. Have a blessed day.